Indiana Jones in the temple.
We're doing our stunt.
Oh! Whoa! Beauty, mate. Let's go.
Hey Matthew, I wonder if you can stand out
man.
back.
Oh. I live in Hades.
Whoa, no! There's the place for
Maybe Santa Claus will come in.
Whoa!
Can we come out with you?
Jack, wait.
Yeah, come on out.
Whoa! This is Andy. Whoa! Oh, wait! I'm like Scooby-Doo.
Go ahead, step right on.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Honey!
Looks like we're on a movie ship.
So wait! Come on. God.
Oh, look at the shades. Look at the shades.
Thank goodness. Now they won't come back up.
Hey, pull the shade down. Oh crap! Yeah.
God.
I like the door. That door's cool. It reminds you of
James will figure it out. There he goes.
those doors that are on a ship. You know they have that.
You want to get out there?
Yep, true that.
Let us have our turn.
I've been out there, so y'all go ahead and sit.
Okay, Cliff. Excuse me.
We're gonna fight.
Oh, holla. Oh, man. Oh.
Don't end it today. I'll see myself on my out. Hey, Donna.
She's got the whistle over there.
Must be acting silly and losing my sunglasses.
You're going to be hot, but I'm not going to get them, okay, playa? Playa.
I want to go back.
Hey, no, go back. Don't leave that way.